Good morning, my dear students, and namaste to all the respected parents. Today it is the 18th day of virtual class of class 5. Today we will discuss about the grammar, uh, which is from Unit 3, and we will discuss about comparative adjective in today's class. First of all, we have to be clear that what is comparative adjective. Comparative adjective are those adjectives which can be compared between two person, place, or things. Comparative adjectives are used. Actually, comparative adjectives are used to compare two things, place, or person. Here we have some example that I have mentioned here on the board. Gold is more expensive than silver. Gold is more expensive than silver. This is one example of comparative adjective. In this, this is an example, and which is the gold is compared with silver. So while comparing gold with silver, we have used here more expensive. More is used. Expensive, it is adjective, main adjective, and to form the comparative adjective, we have written here more expensive. More expensive, it is used to compare two things. Similarly, Mount Everest is higher than Mount Makalu. In this sentence also, higher. The main adjective high, it is formed is higher. Higher. The higher, it is used to compare Mount Everest with Mount Makalu. Here are some examples of comparative adjective. Comparative adjective are formed by using er or more. We add er or we use more before the adjective. There are some example. Big, bigger. Big, bigger. So bigger is made from big. By adding er to the big, then it became bigger. Tall, taller. Tall, taller. Beautiful, more beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful, more beautiful. Thin, thinner. Fast, faster. Heavy, heavier. Pretty, prettier. Simple, simpler, or more simple. Clever, cleverer, or more cleverer. In this way, we make comparative adjective. Some adjectives are formed the comparative adjective by adding er, and some adjectives are formed comparative by using more. The words which are more than one syllable, okay, are used more. More beautiful, more intelligent, more useful, more talkative, more expensive. These are the adjectives more than one syllable, and for only one syllable we use er. That's right. This is the short word. For the short adjective or having only one syllable we use ear. Big, bigger, tall, taller, like this. Fast, faster, heavy, heavier. Heavy, heavier, pretty, prettier, small, smaller. But there are some adjective which we can form comparative adjective by adding er to the main adjective or by using more. Example, simple, simpler. Okay. Either we can make simpler or we can make more simple also. Both are correct. Similarly, clever. Clever, either you can make cleverer or you can make more clever. Both are right. Both are right. And there are some, okay, here we have some irregular comparative adjective. Irregular comparative adjective are those adjectives which don't follow the above rules, or we don't add er or more. Okay, they form in another way. Some example are here: good, better. Okay, not gooder. Good, better. Okay, bad, worse. Bad, worse. Much, more. In this way, irregular comparative adjectives are formed. Again, good, better, bad, worse, not better. Okay, bad, worse, much, more. In this way, we form comparative adjective. Now, let's move towards the practice or exercises. Complete the following sentence using the comparative forms of the adjective. Okay, here I have written some questions and we have to fulfill here by using the comparative adjective. First question, okay, please write, look at here carefully and try to do yourself also. China is special than India. China is bigger than India. It means China is compared with India. While comparing two things, we use comparative adjective. So we should use here bigger. Okay, bigger. B-E-G-G-E-R, bigger. Similarly, question number 2. Kathmandu is here space, then Butawal. Okay. Kathmandu is here should be populated. Kathmandu is populated. Kathmandu is ... then Butawal. It means they are more populated. More populated. It is the word. It the populated. It is the word. Populated is the word which is formed more than one syllable. Kathmandu is more populated than Butawal. Juna is dash than Muna. Juna is older than Muna. Question number 4. Pokhara is ... than Dan. Here more attractive. More attractive than Dan. Question number 5. Sofa is, here also we use more. More comfortable. Sofa is more comfortable than a chair. More comfortable. It is compared. The chair. The sofa is compared with the chair. Okay. Sofa is compared with. How is sofa? Sofa is more comfortable. Not only comfortable. Okay. If you say sofa is comfortable than chair, then it will be wrong. So we should use here Sofa is more comfortable. More comfortable. Okay, not only comfortable, more comfortable than a chair. Question number 6. The exam was more difficult. Okay, difficult is here. We have to more difficult. More difficult than I expected. Okay, the exam was more difficult than I expected. Okay, here are other more two questions here. You can do yourself. It is special to go by train than by bus. It is cheaper. Okay, cheaper. Comparative adjective. It is cheaper to go by train than by bus. Cheaper. And question number 8. Geeta is healthier than her sister. You can write healthier or more healthy also you can write. More healthy than her sister or healthier. Healthier, it will be more better. Geeta is more healthier than her sister. Okay. Exercise C. Complete the sentence using the comparative form. Okay. This exercise C also you have to use comparative adjective. You have to fill up with comparative adjective. The adjectives are given in the bracket, and this adjective you have to convert into the comparative adjective. Question number 1. I would like to have a dash and big car. I would like to have a bigger car. Bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. Okay. In bracket there is big only, and you have to write bigger. Question number 2. This coffee is very weak. I like it a bit stronger. Okay. Strong is given in the bracket, and stronger. It will be stronger. S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R, stronger. Stronger. Comparative form of strong is stronger. Question number 3. It is too noisy here. Can we go somewhere quieter? Okay. Quieter. The comparative form of quiet is quieter. Question number 4. The hotel was cheap. I expected it to be more expensive. I've written here more expensive. The comparative form of expensive is more expensive. As I have already mentioned you that we can make the comparative adjective in two ways, either by adding er or by adding more to the adjective. More expensive. Question number 5. Your work is not very good. I am sure you can do better. You can see you can do better. Good is in the bracket. Okay. Good should be converted into better. Now move towards the exercise D. Write the comparative form of the following adjective. Okay. Write the comparative form of the following adjective. High. Here are some words. Here are some adjectives, and you have to make comparative adjective. High, higher. Important, more important. Peaceful, more peaceful. Cold, colder. Crowded, more crowded. Happy, happier. Happier. H-A-P-P-I-E-R, not Y-E-R. Y should be converted into I. Happy, happier, pretty, prettier, like this. And impressive, more impressive. Okay, dear student, this is all about comparative form of the adjective that we have discussed here. I hope that you might have clearly understood. Okay. do all these exercises given in the books with the help that I have mentioned here. Today, this much for today. Take care. Thank you.